Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's my class. In today's my class, we proceed our geography chapter 1 our resources with next topic. In previous class we already discussed about what is resource. So I again repeat, resources means any animal, any elements of the environment which can use to satisfy our needs and is of value to us मीन्स हर वो चीज़ जो इन्वॉल्वमेंट में है, इन्वॉल्वमेंट के हर कोई भी वो तत्व जिसे हम यूज़ करके संतुष्ट होते हैं और वो हमारी ज़रूरतों को पूरा करता है और उसका हमारे जीवन में मूल्य है, तो हर वो चीज़ रिसोर्स है। तो इस तरीके से हमने ये प्रीवियस क्लास में about of resource we studied. In today's class we read about types of resources. Okay, so according to the nature of resource, they can be classified into three types. So first is natural resources, second is human resources, and third is human made resources. Okay, so next in all three types we will study one by one. So first type of resource, natural resource. इसको हिंदी में प्राकृतिक संसाधन भी कहते हैं। सो नेचुरल रिसोर्स जैसे कि समझ में आ रहा है कि प्राकृतिक संसाधन है, मीन्स प्रकृति से जुड़ा हुआ है। सो ऑल रिसोर्सेस that are obtained from nature are called नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस। ओके, मतलब हर वो रिसोर्स जो हमें प्रकृति से मिलती है उसे हम नेचुरल रिसोर्स कहते हैं। सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर ओरिजिन नेचुरल रिसोर्स कैन बी क्लासिफाइड अस two types. So first is biotic resource and second abiotic. So नेचुरल रिसोर्स को भी क्लासिफाइड किया गया है टू टाइप्स में। तो फर्स्ट है बायोटिक एंड सेकेंड इसका टाइप है अबायोटिक रिसोर्सेस। सो नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे कि बायोटिक रिसोर्स और अबायोटिक रिसोर्स क्या है। सो बायोटिक रिसोर्सेस दिस आर ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म। ओके, फर्स्ट हम देखेंगे बायोटिक। सो बायोटिक रिसोर्स जो है जैसे कि ये हमें लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जो भी हैं उनसे हमें यह मिलता है। सो एग्ज़ाम्पल हुआ such as plants. Plants is a living organism, okay, and animals. And they include also forest products, grasses, herbs, crop, wild and domestic animals. Okay, all things are biotic resources, and they play an important role in satisfying our day-to-day needs. All the biotic resources have the capacity to reproduce and regenerate within a period of time. So thus they are renewable resources. Okay, in all this example are renewable resources. Next type of natural resource is abiotic. सो अबायोटिक रिसोर्स क्या है, जैसा कि बायोटिक रिसोर्स क्या था, जो हमें लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म से मिलता है, हम ऑब्टेन करते हैं। जस्ट अपोजिट अबायोटिक रिसोर्स क्या हो जाएगा, दिस आर ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम नॉन लिविंग और फिजिकल इन्वायरमेंट। ओके, मीन्स these are obtained from the non-living or physical environment. So example, abiotic resources are land. Land is also non-living organism, non-living or non-living thing. Soil, water, air, rocks and minerals. Okay, are abiotic resources, and humans use them directly or indirectly to satisfy and human use them directly or indirectly to satisfy their needs. Some abiotic resources like minerals are non renewable, while some of them like water and air are renewable. Okay, next type of so first we in this video we read about natural resources. So in now we read on behalf of on the basis of origin. Natural resources can be classified biotic resources and abiotic resources, and on the basis of renewability, natural resources classified into two categories. First is renewable and second is non-renewable. Okay, so what is next? We read what is renewable resource. So renewable resource, some resources like sunlights, wind, water, and sand do not get exhausted even after continuous use. These are inexhaustible resource. Some resources are limited in supply and get diminished after every use, but they have the capacity to reproduce and regenerate within a period of time. They are called renewable resource. Okay, and they include biotic resources like plants, animals, and humans. So I hope you all understood what is renewable resource. Next, we read non-renewable resources. So some resources get completely exhausted after use and cannot be replaced. These are the exhaustible or non-renewable resources. They include all minerals like iron, copper, and fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Some of the minerals like iron, gold, and silver can be recycled with the help of technology. Fossil fuels, however, cannot be recycled. Okay, so we read about natural resource. This categorize first uh, origin. On the basis of their origin, natural resources can classified biotic and abiotic resources. Next, we studied about on the basis of their renewability. Natural resource can be classified renewable resource and non-renewable resource. Next, natural resource also classified on the basis of their stage of development. Okay, stage of development. Natural resource can be classified as potential and actual resources. So, on the basis of their stage of development, natural resource classified as potential resources and actual resources. So, potential resources. Uh, First, we will read. So, what is potential resources? So, there are resources which exist in a region and could be used in the future but have not been developed at to their full potential. For example, Africa has numerous waterfalls which could be harnessed in the future to generate hydroelectricity but at present have not been fully utilized. The waterfall are thus potential resources of Africa. To develop potential resources fully, a detailed survey is required for estimating their quantity and quality. Next, actual resources. So actual resources means these are resources which can be put to actual use as their quantity and quality have been properly assessed through detailed survey. For example, coal and iron ore deposits in India. The proportion of the actual resources which can be developed profitably with available technology is called reserve. I hope you understood potential resources and actual resources. Next, on the basis of their distribution, natural resources can be classified as two category. First is ubiquitous resources, and second localized resources. So what is ubiquitous resource? So ubiquitous resource are those that are found everywhere like sunlight and air. Okay, and localized resources are those that are found only in certain place like swift flowing rivers and deposits of coal. So dear student, in today's class we read about types of natural resources. In tomorrow class we will study next type of resource, human resource. I hope you all understood today's all content. Thank you for watching.